Hello, Dr. Selesky. This is Juan Arisa, accompanied by Armand Mohammed and Randy Hattab. We're displaying our project for computer networks, and this is our autonomous drone flight. Now, due to the circumstances we've been explaining in this semester, we are unable to run it directly on the drone. It's been deprecated. However, we can get the functionality of what we were trying to accomplish within this emulator. This is the RD Pilot emulator, and it lets us set up the simulation of the software. So you can see we're going to choose a mode called quad. This is the same as the 4-rotor drone that we have, and we'll set the speed just a little bit faster. So when we do this, I'll use software in the loop. This is the actual hardware to software interface, and this is what emulates the usage from our computer to the drone. Now, once this is set up, we can access our actual code, which I'll show you here. Where did it go? Here we go. So this code itself is what we wrote as part of the project. So it will connect directly to the drone using a TCP connection. It will automate the connection process, the takeoff process, and once the height has reached about 10 meters for the drone, it will let us command the drone's movement by using the arrow key. So up will go forward, down will go backward, left and left, so the right will go to the right. Now, once we have this going, we would have to run it into a PowerShell code. This simply connects our Python script to this software using the same TCP connection. So arming motors here. Once that's going, we can see the changes happening within the software. This is the actual altitude takeoff that's happening within it. And ideally, if we have the drone, it would actually take the drone off to about 10 meters and get you taken off for flight. Now that we have some movement, it is a little bit slow for the emulation, but now that we have some movement, as you can see, it will take off in the direction that we direct it to. Right now we're going left, so we'll continue to go left. Say we want to go up. And it'll continue until the user decides to no longer continue their movement. And in the case that the user wants to return back home to landing, we've set it up so that it's a keyboard shortcut. You just press the R button, and once all the commands have been completed, the drone will automatically, within our code, find its home location and drive back from where it is back home. So we're back home to the main point, and what we can do within the actual emulator is land it manually. So we can enter a land mode, and we can set the mode. And in doing this, the drone will automatically find its perfect landing speed, land back to our ground location, and disarm itself, ready for the next mission or takeoff. Disarm.
That's the demo.